you?
You say it the beep. Yeah.
Current deal.
That means current day. So the one that the power was not on, we have fixed that.
Abi?
Yes.
You don't diagnose it.
This is diagnostic now.
Yes.
I'll be machine so that thing go on.
Sarimakuri.
Morning. Wow.
Hi.
We have gotten visitors.
Yes.
Hello. What? You have any problem?
Yes. You want to repair our TV.
Your TV has done what?
The screen is not. It's faulty.
Okay. That's what. Now it's 14. That's the numbers.
You don't bavuka now.
The screen is not coming.
The screen is not coming.
Yeah.
Like when you watch on TV like this, you see red something but blank.
It just went off. Yeah.
It was coming before.
Yes.
It's like women. Sometimes when you accept the switch, you go off.
Mm-hmm.
So,
it blew.
You go and put it. You are nice. Yeah. So I'll fix it. There's something called Bob, not human being name. It be electrical problem that Bob surrounding that in the sport.
How much is the bulb?
The Bob. I say I'm doing completely like 5,000. You said this one.
50,000. Now 50,000 is your cost. 50,000. Yes.
No, Nigerian in Tijimi or Bonaira.
For just the bulb.
You think Bob is someone's day? We order it from China.
From China.
No problem. No problem. All we need is for you guys to do a good work.
We will do.
It will work.
But because you're nice, no payment. That be the thing.
Amankwah!
Are you sure?
Amankwah!
The TV, no. I say.
Oh.
I wanted to dash you thing, but it's good. It's like myself, they suit me.
Okay.
So give me the number. I'll call you when everything is correct. Then we'll talk.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yes.
So,
yeah. So go talk.
Oh, thank you.
So we are at the back of this house.
At the back of this house,
Yeah.
that I've never seen you before. You don't come out.
We are in the outside.
So you like you rub pomade yourself, be succulent, you sleep.
Yes.
Then when men come, you open.
No, that's not how we do it.
Wait, this one, how does she walk? This one, this one.
Oh
Don't
no,
worry about it.
The back.
it's normal.
No, it's strata that she's holding.
No, it's not trata.
Strata chini.
No.
But you want to carry it for her?
So
We a TV and Kaya 105 inches.
Amankwah!
This one is 105 inches TV.
Don't tell me waiting. The money, you no go take payment, you dey collect number.
They look like Kotoko players, red. I don't want payment.
If Oga come, I must you no go collect payment, you dey collect number for payment. How will take parent?
Big bag has come, you call.
Don't tell me Sarimakuri.
Okay. Big bag has come, you call. Is there Oga?
why you laughing?
And I'm chopping laugh, someone will be spying. That is the thing I don't like. See, you know the work with the spy. You are
Who is he?
Oh, I brought him from Nigeria.
Sarimakuri.
Through him, then I saw him. I said, come and work with me. You are spying me as I'm chopping love.
Oh, me?
Beg, please sit down, sit.
Don't worry now, Oga go here.
Why is Oga be your Oga? If you talk, I'll attack you now.
Sarimakuri, you go sack me.
So babe, what's up? This shop is for me. I go feel sell or give you the money. You travel abroad.
Really?
Yeah, really.
That would be nice.
Of course.
You know something, babe? What about the wig you promised me?
But you are wearing wig. You want to wig again?
I want a new one.
Bone straight. So that one, bone there inside the hot. That bone straight.
No, there is no bone, but it's just glassy.
So glassy bone.
I didn't say glassy. Glassy.
Glassy, yeah, like it has glass. You see this TV?
Yes.
The owner has not paid for it. I prepared it. So if you bring the money and dash you, well, we make an small.
But babe, I want this TV. Just the big one.
No, I want it.
I go dash it to you.
Really? Oh, baby.
Really, yes. The focus as you entered now, it is you that I saw. I said, what human Titanic has arrived.
So you liked what you saw, right?
Who wouldn't like this evaporated body?
Amankwah.
What about the money aspect?
This shop is for me, as I told you.
Lala you.
So you're a boy.
Which me boy?
That is the thing.
Sarima, me boy.
So I go fee rent a place for you, decorate the place with all these TVs. So you watch one year,
Pay
you watch
for
1 year,
everything.
pay, and that is you no pay. Okay, for the house, yeah, I go pay.
And for my trip.
Trip there, you need a Lufthansa. No plane can carry this body. Small plane do 3 aviator for.
Amankwah, you go come and
Everything.
finish this TV. We did at the shop love.
Oh, please.
No, that one wants me to do something to him.
Well, I don't mind him.
You want me to? Hey, money. Hey, my
Calm down.
Hey, do that thing.
Hello, baby.
Hello, my baby for life. Take this
How
one.
you doing?
Yes, I'm fine. Come and sit down. Okay, go sit here.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm fine. Wow, you look nice today.
Oh, baby. You.
Yes, I've missed you too. 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't finish.
You know the telly you gave me the last time? The television.
The tell you why.
It's no longer working.
It's not working.
Yeah.
It's not working. It's like I've been giving you a lot of TVs, so they are all not working.
It's because the ones you are giving me are not rich now. Because
Baby,
if
are
they are
you
the
not
right...
babying me?
Oh, babe, come on.
So what is the
I
problem?
want a new one.
No, the TV. What is wrong with it?
It just went blank.
Every TV of yours goes blank.
Yeah,
Why?
because you're not giving me the proper one. If you
they
give
are
me
not
the
proper.
original one, like it will last.
Now, question to bush media. Yes, I understand. So you need a brand new correct
I
TV.
want a brand new one. Like, you know, there is one TV I don't see.
And you have a choice.
Yeah,
Despite
that one.
things. I'm coming over.
That's why I love you.
Oh, yeah.
Amankwah.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, thank you, baby. What is heavy? I can't carry it.
I know, put it on you first. This one is Bush. It was made for president.
This will last, right?
It will last. It's
I love
Bush.
it already.
US.
Oh, thank you, baby. This I love
Yeah.
you. Oh, I can't carry this. Can you tell me?
You can't carry it.
It's too
Who should carry? Someone is there. My boy, yeah. Yeah. Come and carry the tip, follow my woman.
Who?
Go to the house.
Me.
Yes, move, go and do that thing. You don't go and do anything that is not appropriate. You see, move.
Me.
Hear me. Ask you carry and follow you.
God, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I was speaking to my woman anyhow.
What's the problem? Because you are carrying my tally, so you'll be talking to me.
Oh.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
I'll call you.
No, a
Okay. Ever since when you are upstairs in the shop, when not they see, I tell you say, all the guests where they come here, where the TV they call repair, Amankwah na promo they do, promo code. And yes, oh.
As in, when they come for repairs, he doesn't take money.
No! Before the one where he bring TV, where he not fit repair, he go give them another new TV. Make they carry
Me,
go
my
pay.
sweat.
I'm telling you. Sorry, my kudo to me jagaba.
Here.
You tell me what now. What I say I won't tell you. I don't say I must tell you. Ever since you don't tell,
How?
I never tell you. Amankwah.
But you kept long. Because even last time, a woman came here with a TV.
Yeah.
He said a woman has come for the TV. He said he doesn't want the repairs again. Oh,
Apwa. Now lie.
Amankwah is using me, my shop, to do promo.
I'm telling you.
My sweat to do promo.
The honest truth. If I lie, make thought that strike me to death.
Because of late sales so they come. I'm not seeing sales.
I tell you, no money, no single money where they take. Only promo. Guess. Different sizes.
Okay, you don't worry, relax. I will know what to do.
Yes, sir.
So, Amankwah, Marvis.
Yes, sir.
I'm traveling, eh? I know I've not been here for a while, but I have an emergency. I just had a call from the village. I have to go. Yes. And so I want you guys to take very good care of this place. Amankwah, I trust you. That is why I'm leaving this place into your care. Make sure you do things the right way.
Boss, my left is not even working. I do things the right way. Try the right more things. So you can. So for how long, boss? Like, will you be away?
I'll be away for a month or two, probably 1.5
No,
months.
boss, that is not good. If you go to village, spend time there for 6 months. You are there. I'm taking care of here everything. That's why you know that. So let's
But
go
I
and fast,
trust
so
you.
can go fast.
Are you sacking me?
No, I did that.
But I trust you.
Oh, trust
That is why I've left this place into your hands.
boss,
Good.
that's why I take.
So Marvis,
Yeah.
like I said, make sure you guys take very good care of the place. Do you understand? Get me. I think I've played my bag there. Get it for me. So that I
So
start.
you are going, boss. So let me see you up. So, boss, like you can even get that. A short man chilling is called short enjoyment.
Oh, baby. Not Italy. The one I told you the last time.
Every day you have problem with your telly. So you dey work for TV station, TV3 day you are there. Oh no. Don't worry if you are going to take 4 TVs, you dash some to your friends.
Thank you,
Yes.
baby.
Hey,
Oh, baby.
for waiting. For waiting.
You understand each other that I should use both engines. You
Yes.
understand?
You know, you understand each
Yes,
other,
that is,
so
yeah.
There is no problem with that.
See, the thing is, this shop is for me. Relax and take everything.
It's like you have a guest.
A guest is here, that me, I'm chilling. A guest is here. Hey, guest, let the guest take care of your guest's nature.
Hey, Amankwah.
Then when I say don't come out.
Hey.
Hey, Mo.
So what Marvis has been saying is true, eh?
Yes, now talk am now.
That is Marvis.
This is what you've been using my shop to do.
No, if you are here for your TV, guys, we have someone who want to take the TV.
Hey.
Let's applaud for him.
Hey! They should applaud for me.
Like you want to take TV.
I should get out of my shop. You ladies, get out of my shop.
You should know they are mine.
Me, my shop. And you are using to do girls, eh?
No, I'm saying they are mine.
I talk am now.
They are my television models.
Get out. You, in fact, I've sacked you.
This one is
You go with them. Please leave my shop.
82 inches.
When are they go? When are they go?
All is well.
You think a short man?
When are
Leave
they
my
go?
shop. Leave my
When are they
shop.
go?
You, is this your size?
This is 102 inches.
Is this your size?
No, we don't take our size.
From today, listen.
Hello.
From today, you are no more working here again.
I'm no more
You have
working
been
here.
sacked.
You have sacked me.
Yes,
Okay,
leave this
so
place.
if you sacked me, that means you are no more my boss again. If you joke, what I'll do to you?
Okay.
You think we are
Count the
working
number
here?
of TVs he stolen.
Almost
Call the
13,
police.
13.
Which one?
Back up
You.
police.
Bring hammer for me.
You, eh?
Keep boss and knockout.